How to edit MIDI with MixPad. To edit a MIDI clip with MixPad, simply double-click on the clip. The MIDI editor will open. Click and drag your mouse to add a note. Click and drag a note to move it. Hover your cursor on the left or right edge of the note until you see the double arrow resizing icon. Then click and drag to adjust its length. To delete a note, select it and click Delete. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to edit MIDI with MixPad. MIDI clips can be placed on any track of your project and can be placed next to non-MIDI clips. To edit a MIDI clip, double-click on the clip with your mouse or right-click on the clip and choose Edit Clip with MIDI Editor from the menu. You can also use the shortcut CTRL+E. This opens the MIDI editor. The MIDI editor has a keyboard on the left showing the value of each note. Clicking on the keyboard will play the note. Notes are displayed in the main window or the editor. Clicking on a note will play it, and hovering over it will display its data. You can move an existing note by clicking and dragging it. You can change the length by hovering over the left or right edge until the mouse cursor becomes a double arrow. Then click and drag to shorten or lengthen the note. A tooltip will display as you adjust the note with the details of the change. To delete an existing note, select it and then click Delete, or the Delete Note button on the toolbar. To copy a note, select it and click the Copy button to save it to the clipboard. You can select multiple notes by holding the Control key and clicking each note before clicking the Copy button. Click on the window or timeline to place the cursor and click the Paste button. The copied notes will appear in the cursor's position on the timeline. To add new notes, simply click and drag on the window. Open the Property panel by pressing CTRL+P, or go to the View tab and click the Property panel button. The channel and velocity settings for a note are shown and can be edited as well. Select a note to view its settings. Go to the Channel tab to view the project channels. Each channel is assigned a color and an instrument. To hide a channel, click on the I button. Click it again to redisplay the channel. When you are finished editing your MIDI clip, simply close the MIDI editor window. All changes are automatically saved to your clip. You can also leave the MIDI editor open while working in the main project window. For more MixPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.